Alright, welcome back. A little mishap, a little setback. Welcome to the world of IT. Oh yeah, welcome setback. Alright. Alright, so we're gonna do the same name. Sweat all my god, I didn't know what password I put. Make sure you put it on Eastern. Well, for me, it's Eastern time. All right. So let that do what it needs to do. I believe I picked the Alienware logo, so I'll just pick the same exact one. Okay. Life of an installer, man. Oh, goodness. So, like I was saying before, having this is definitely a really good thing to have, because you can live, like I said, rather than your kids or whoever is using those people, you could just make one of these, and making one of these, they could just use this. They can go on Facebook and go wherever the crap they want to go. You can install programs on this. Oh, I want to install this. Install it on this virtual desktop and leave my computer alone. Like this could solve a lot of, it can't solve all your problems, but it could solve some problems. All right, here we go. Boom. There's a desktop. Alrighty, so let's go to properties. As you can see, this is our operating system. We have Windows 10. Well, Windows 7, so used to Windows 10. Okay, this processors we got going here. We got 1 gig of memory. Ain't really doing much with that. Alrighty, so we got that little Alienware logo that we had before. Let's actually go on the internet. There we go. Just quickly set this up, and you can see the picture of the angry orange himself. Oh, there we go. But Starbucks. So let's try. Let's go to a real simple program to install. What we're gonna do? I'm gonna install VLC player. Download it. This is pretty much show you that you can download programs from the internet and install them on here, just like you would. Okay, go to download file. Okay, we're gonna run it straight out the bat. Don't save it. That's pretty good download speed, considering you only got 1 gig of RAM. Oh God. Okay, continue. This time I'm not gonna press cancel. Oh goodness. There's a bunch of other stuff I can set up, but I do this all day at work. I really don't want to. I'm not even gonna lie. Java and all that stuff, I don't want to. I don't wanna. Okay, we're gonna install this. Okay, we're actually on the internet, as you can see. It's gonna run. Boom. You actually have a free program installed on your VDI. Let's see, Windows 7 usually has sample music. So let's see if any of this sample music works. There you go. Play music on this thing. It's pretty much your disposable toy. You can do whatever you want to do. Alrighty. Boom. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to shut down our virtual machine just like you would. Shut it down. Boom. Alright. Now, if we did Windows 7, let's begin with Windows 10. Okay, definitely want to pick the same memory size. Create, remember you want to go to create virtual disk now. Go to VDI disk, virtual box disk image. Dynamically allocate, go to next. File size, Windows 10, create. Now once you do that, double click. Now if you want to pick somewhere else, want to pick something else. Do I have a Windows 10? Jesus. Let me see something. Oh God, I can't remember. Yes, I do. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're just going to use this Windows 10 here. Oh, bother, I know I have it. Oh, God, where the hell did I put that thing at? Can't remember where I put it. Oh, goodness, I don't want to go scarring. All types of fun tonight. Everybody win chum tonight. There it is. Windows 10 image. Boom. Okay, that's a 64-bit version of Windows. I could literally go and explain that. Let's try something. Alright, so we're going to close that down for now. Power off the machine. Okay, it didn't give me a problem last time, which is weird. believe, if I'm not mistaken, you're probably not gonna work. Just want to turn that thing on, but apparently I did not turn it on. Alright, so I'm going to do some more troubleshooting. I'll definitely do another video tomorrow. Let's see what it takes as long as I thought it would. So for right now, we know how to install Windows 7. We installed a program, and yeah. Maybe we can just open it right back up. Oh man, I just want to change that setting. Alright, it's doing some updates. There's Xander. Like, if you don't have to name it that, you can name it whatever you want. This again. Up, there we go. There's our VLC player. And we're DUNN. We're done. Alright. So that's pretty much it. That's how you would install. And as you can see, it opens right back up. Shut this down. I gotta figure out that. I probably just need I think I know what I need to do. I need to tweak that program. That's gonna take, not really gonna take too much doing, but that's what I'm gonna do right now, because it is 11 o'clock. I gotta be up in front of my computer to do more computer work. So that's it for this video. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a like, or if there's any questions, comments, concerns you have, any walkthroughs you need, I'm available. Just let me know. And like that, I hope you're having a happy lockdown. And my goal for this whole thing is just pretty much to have you learn a new skill, just new something, because a lot of jobs that people lost, you know, they might not be there. So having a new skill to have in your resume, you know, or being able to maybe just get a brief, you know, get over the fear of this is like a new skill. Just getting familiar with it would help you on your journey. Or just maybe you want to teach your kids, you want to plug them into some computer work, because that's always something, give them something to do, you know. So that's pretty much what the goal of this whole thing is. So I really appreciate your time. Once again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit that bell up top to get notifications when I do go live playing games or just doing any videos. I'm gonna put this video up, and I got I think I had 2 more videos. I got a bunch of unboxing videos to put up, and I got a lot of review videos to put up too. So just like that, happy lockdown, happy quarantine, and stay safe and healthy out there, and I wish you all good luck. Peace.